Senator Chris Kedder has visited Maryborough as part of the Labor Party's tour of central Queensland. He discussed the impact penalty rate cuts will have on the region when they come into effect on July 1.
Senator Chris Kedder toured the city during the Easter Street Party on Friday night, arriving by bus on his so-called listening tour of central Queensland.
We've been to Emerald, Blackall, come through Gladstone, and we're passing through Maryborough tonight and wanting to talk to people about some of the things that concern them.
One of the main aims is to explore the impact weekend penalty rate cuts will have on regional areas.
In the seat of Wide Bay, there are 2,500 people who work in retail and hospitality industry, and they are confronting a pay cut from the 1st of July.
Mr Kedder says the cuts would also negatively impact other industries in the long term.
If you don't have people with money in their pockets to spend, then you're going to find businesses suffering.
He says the Labor Party has introduced legislation in an attempt to stop cuts to penalty rates.
It'll basically provide guidelines to the Fair Work Commission so that in the future they can't make decisions that affect the take-home pay of workers.
Member for Maryborough Bruce Saunders applauded the city visit.
It's absolutely vital that these senators take this message back to Canberra.
Carly Madsen, 7 News.
A group of Wide Bay SES volunteers and rural urban firefighters will spend the next 2 days helping Rockhampton residents with the flood clean-up. The Fitzroy River in Rockhampton dropped to 5.2 metres